What we're looking at here is this Casablanca Delta II in antique brass from 1994. This fan was on Marketplace once again, 15 minutes down the street from me. So I got it as soon as it popped up. If it's 15 minutes away, why not? It was literally only a couple dollars. And it did come with this light kit. I actually do really like this glass, but I don't think anything that has to do with the light is actually a genuine Casablanca. It's in good shape, except for a few things. And it actually did have 5 blades. But this is what I found right here. If you notice, this blade arm has a massive crack in it. And somebody just completely crushed that part with that screw. So this is completely, the blade arm is trash. The blade is still usable though. And there's the wonderful tag. Fan works perfectly, bearings were good. Does have the pull chain there. Here's low speed. Like I said, it did have that 5th blade, so I didn't have any other antique brass blade arms offhand, so I just took that off and installed it with 4 blades, because this is a 4 and 5 blade flywheel. Or 2, 4, 5, whatever you want to call it. Move up to medium. This thing is dead silent. And of course, with an Emerson K55 motor in there, it is very powerful. I think this light kit looks really nice, even though I think it's pretty clear that it's not original. And I did end up put this electrical tape around each shade. Because before I did that, it would vibrate and the shades wouldn't even tighten all the way. Nothing too exciting about this fan. It's just your average run-of-the-mill Delta II. So I'm just doing a very quick demonstration. And that's pretty much all I got for it. A 1994 Casablanca Delta II in antique brass.